Conflict and negotiation. What are you responsible to learn? Define conflict. Differentiate between the traditional human relation and interactionist views of conflict. Contrast task, relationship, and process conflict. Outline the conflict process. Describe the 5 conflict handling intentions. Contrast distributive and integrative bargaining. Identify the 5 steps in the negotiation process. Describe cultural differences and negotiation. What is conflict? A process that begins when a party perceives that another party has negatively affected or is about to negatively affect something that the first party cares about. Transition in conflict thought. The traditional view, all conflict is harmful and must be avoided. The human relations view, conflict is natural and inevitable in any group except it. The interactionist view, it is a positive force and absolutely necessary for a group to perform effectively. Functional versus dysfunctional conflict. Functional, supports the goal of the group and improves its performance. Dysfunctional, hinders group performance. Task conflict, occur over content and goals of the group. Relationship conflict, interpersonal relationship. Process conflict, how work gets done. Negotiation. Negotiation is a process in which 2 or more parties exchange goods or services and attempt to agree upon exchange rate for them. Bargaining strategies. Distributive bargaining or resources are fixed, a win or lose situation. Integrative bargaining, 1 or more settlements that can create a win-win situation. The negotiation process. Preparation and planning, BATNA or best alternatives to a negotiated agreement. Definition of ground rules. Clarification and justification. Bargaining and problem solving. Closure and implementation. Issues in negotiation. Personality traits, gender differences, cultural differences, third-party negotiations, mediators, arbitrators, conciliators, and consultants. Conflict and negotiation. Conflict and negotiation are aspects of running a business. Business owners face conflict partners, managers, employees, and the general public. Negotiation is often necessary to create an amicable solution for all parties involved in a conflict. Many small or home-based businesses avoid internal conflict and negotiation because owners are primarily responsible for completing business functions. However, external conflict and negotiation occur for most companies in the business environment. Facts. Conflict often occurs when individuals have different ideas, beliefs, or theories regarding business operations. Business owners may also find conflict when bargaining with individuals or other businesses. Acquiring economic resources or other business assets often involves bargaining. Negotiation is the process of discussing each individual position about a topic and attempting to reach a solution that benefits both parties. Conflict and negotiation are usually more prevalent in larger businesses organizations since more individuals are involved in the company's operation. Features. Conflict and negotiation may result in several options being created to resolve difficult situations. Business owners might follow a few steps when processing discussion, options, and solution, identifying the problem, analyzing the issue, creating different strategies or approach, and acting on outcomes or ideas. These steps provide a logical process to follow when solving conflict and negotiation issues. Function: business owners can use conflict negotiation to create a more favorable outcome when dealing with a stronger party. Small businesses often have lower purchasing power or negotiating position than larger organizations. Considerations: according to the book Getting to Yes, business owners should develop their BATNA, or best alternative to negotiated agreement. Many business owners realize that cannot obtain all their requests during a conflict and negotiation process. Warning: the conflict negotiation process can result in one party engaging in unethical behavior. Small businesses owners may get caught up in this situation if they have little experience in conflict and negotiation.